So today I'm over here just off the Eastside Beltline Trail at New Great Lofts, looking at what you can get right now in Old Fourth Ward for $5.99 in a true loft. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath loft, just over 1,800 heated square feet, and it steps from the Eastside Beltline Trail. Now you're gonna wanna be sure that you stay tuned to the end because there's a bunch of great features I'm gonna show you about the property, but when you see the view from the rooftop terrace, you're gonna be absolutely astonished. And if you have any questions as we go through the video today, please be sure to comment those below and I'll get you the answers right away. Let's go inside and take a look. You know, while this building has so many unique features, including its fantastic location, the rooftop terrace, the outside patio, it really has those really cool loft industrial factory pieces like the metal barn doors. And check out this freight elevator. I just love this thing. It's everything you think is real and authentic about a loft, plus it's in the best neighborhood in the city. So that's a pretty cool one, isn't it? And it's located right here on the Eastside Beltline Trail. We are, of course, just north of Inman Park and the skate parks and ball fields, just south of Pont City Market and the new city center that they're building right here in the Fourth Ward. You can walk to Fourth Ward Park. You literally walk out the back of the building to the Eastside Beltline Trail. You know, as always, of course, if you do have any questions about this property or any of the others, comment those below the video and I'll get you the answers. And I really do. I get calls all the time for people looking to buy or sell here in the Atlanta in-town market. And if you have any questions about any of that, please feel free to reach out to me, send me a text, give me a call. My phone number will be in the description below this video. video as well. And if you did find this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell button to be notified when those new videos come out. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you like this video, I know you're gonna love the next one that pops up on your screen.